In this video I will show you how you can create logo in a minute and turn this into this by using Adobe Illustrator tools and more. First of all, write text of your logo. Then press right click and create outlines. Again right click and ungroup it. It will give you easiest access to your letters. And just arrange your letters how you like, or how you think your logo will look better. I think it's perfect for me. Then you have to select one of your letters and use the knife tool. With this tool you can easily cut your shapes to multiple shapes. And I will repeat the same for other letters of my logo. Then select your corner which you cut and be sure that it's arranged and you bring it to front. Then you should apply gradient. On the right side of property panel you will find flip horizontally and flip vertically. You have to press both of them to change direction of your angle. By pressing to gradient twice, you can arrange your gradient the way you like. Let's do the same with the second letter. I will copy the same design of this corner from previous letter. Then in arrangement I will bring this corner to front. Then flip horizontally and vertical. It's look cool already, isn't it? Now let's continue with other letters of my logo. I will copy this design from previous letters. Then flip horizontally and vertical. Pressing twice to gradient and arranging the way how I like. Looks fine already, isn't it? Let's do the same with the last letter. Bringing to front, copying design from previous letters, and don't forget to flip horizontally and vertical. Click twice on gradient and arrange the way how you like. And now you know how to create this kind of logo in less than a minute in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe.